Hey guys, today I've got an LG 27.6 cubic feet French door refrigerator. Obviously the bottom freezer there and the two pull-out doors for the refrigerator on top. You've got water and ice in the door. And I want to show you real quick that it's all plugged in, got the water hooked up, so I'm going to show you that it is cooling like it's supposed to. I've got my surface temperature gun here, right in between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see it's about 78.6 degrees Fahrenheit there. Whenever you shine it on, it kind of changes up a little bit. So we've got the fridge, nice and cold there. I pretty much got it set to full blast, just so that you can see everything's working perfect here. So, and this gun is fairly accurate too. Shine that down in there. So you see everything is nice and cold, just like it's supposed to be. Close that up here. Now that we've taken the temperature, as soon as you start fanning the doors, that temperature goes up as far as the temperature gun goes. So now that's done, I can open this up and show you the inside. It's nice and clean. The only thing this fridge is missing is the top shelf here, and it's 40 bucks on Amazon. I just typically don't wait around for that stuff to show up, but I can send you the link if you want it. It's pretty easy to find. Everything is in excellent shape here. There's a shot of the tag, which I'll have a picture of in the ad if you want to look at all the details and look it up. Right here you have the Space Saver ice in door. Switch hands here. Pop this up. You see all your ice right there. Like I said, I've got the water hooked up. Go ahead and close this up. So that's the top. And the bottom down here, you've got your pull-out drawer, tons of space there. This little guy here is adjustable, so whatever you want to put in there. And that's going to be it for the inside. Now I'll show you for water. Let's see. You've got tons of options here. You can do ice type. You can do crushed, cubed. You can set your refrigerator and other temps here. All kinds of options here. You've got the light, which helps at nighttime. Turn that off. I also, you'll see in the picture, a brand new water filter. I just put that in. So water and ice. There you go. You've got your little drip tray there, which is kind of cool because it actually pulls out, and then this piece releases here, so you can keep all that nice and clean. So that's going to be it on this guy here. Go ahead and get it listed up, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.